I have an Atlantic update for you in the southeast. We're still keeping an eye on the tropics now that we're, of course, almost 2 months removed from the peak of the Atlantic hurricane season, that being September 10th. Things typically quiet down, but it still can be active at this time of the year. We're going to be watching the remnants of Willa from the eastern Pacific slide through the southeast here over the next couple of days, and there could be a few areas of heavy rain as well. Here's a look at the Atlantic, and you can see a cluster of clouds kind of centered over the Central Atlantic. National Hurricane Center keeping an eye on that wave, as it does have a high probability of tropical formation over the next 5 days, so we'll be watching for that. Meanwhile, yesterday, at a record high in Key West at 89 degrees. Temperatures there 6 degrees above average. Over the mid-Atlantic region, 5 degrees or so below average, and the extended outlook does keep us warmer than average as we head into our first week of November. Now, today we're going to be watching some severe weather potential from New Orleans over to the Pensacola region, and then tomorrow the Carolina coast all the way down to northern Florida under a marginal threat as well. And that's because we have the remnants of Willa sliding through. A few daytime thunderstorms could produce some gusty winds and maybe even some hail, but this is also going to bring us pockets of heavy rainfall in the next couple of days. I think we could see some 1 to 2 inch rainfall tallies, much lighter amounts as you head farther south. And it will be warm down to the south again today in Florida. Daytime highs into the 80s. The farther north you get, we'll be into the 50s and 60s. And readings there a good 10 to almost 15 degrees below average.